Hey YouTubers, Redneck Brian here again. Like I said from my Cat in the Snow video, winter 2010, I gotta do some work on the Troy build. Nothing overly majorly wrong with it. That's got a flat tire. Again, I've already fixed the back left one. I did the same method that I'm going to show you right now. But this one here, I knew it had a leak, but I don't know where it is. It'd be quite expensive to bring it in and get a tube put in. I don't feel like doing that. And I have another method of doing this. It is a foam system. There's the air pump. It's a 12-volt air pump. I bought it at a local Canadian Tire for I believe it was $59, so 60 bucks. Came with one of these. These are good for one tire, and it comes with this little hose on here. Oops, I'm fully zoomed, sorry about that. So yeah, it came with this here. It's a foam. I just have to insert it into that unit there and hook it up to a 12-volt source via the jumper pack, and hook it up to the tire and fill the tire. So I've already put the chain on because when it was snow blowing this morning, my chain fell off. So I know when the chain falls off, I got low tire pressure. So I'm going to be putting a 12-volt outlet either in this tractor or the Honda eventually. But obviously to run that, it has to be running. So a little weenie battery in there. So I'm going to demonstrate this product. So sit down in the snow. First going to put this canister in here. I wish these things were returnable, because it's kind of a waste. I have 4 of them already. Soon, yeah, this one makes 4, I believe. So let's go undo the zip tie. Camera now. And as you can see, it has this red cord here. Just gotta feed it down through there. And slide it into the unit. And then the unit gets hooked up to the 12-volt source. Tough working with gloves. I did try to do this without gloves, but before I started the video, but it was too cold. That should be good. Now, normally you'd take this end here and hook up to this canister, but I'm going to do something differently here. I'm going to hook it up. I don't want to wreck my cord. But I'm going to hook it up to the tire and drain some air out of this tire. Remove the valve stem, of course. Set it up here. A little bit of snow got caught in there because it has a draining feature on it. See, normally you'd hook the red one up to here, not the black one. The black one's just for air. I guess it has as much air can come out of it already. Make sure I've got power. Nope. Yep. It also has a little light on there that comes on. Blow snow out of that. And as you can see, I'm plugging the red end in to here. I am up on the jack, obviously. Doesn't have to be, but I am in this case because I had to put the tire chain back on. And then you just remove this little black cap off of the tube. I do hold on to those, so no need to, but I do. And then there's a pressure gauge on here. long as when you fill it up, you get in within the yellow, you're fine. Take this cord out of here so I can get a little bit more cord. Designed for vehicles. But like I said, I did the Honda. Did both back tires on the Honda with this, and they're not leaking yet. And I did the back left one on the Troy, so. And let's go. For a second, checking the tire. I didn't think it worked there for a second. I think it is. And actually, since that's pretty flat, it's going to take a bit to fill up, and let's just go in here for a second. So, nothing really changed in here. It's kind of messy right now. All I've really changed is a new door up there blocking the sitting area and a bed area up top. The only real change in here. There's another one of those canisters there. Like I said, I wish they were reusable. There's a website on there. We'll contact them, see if we can get a rebate back or not. Go out here and check this. The tire is not going up. The stuff is going in. Okay, it's starting to go up now. I guess because it's cold out, I don't know. It's never done that before. Hopefully it works. Or else it's 20 bucks down the drain for that stuff. It should work. Okay, everyone, I gotta cut the video because it's up to 10 minutes. I'll just leave in the description if it worked or not. Thanks for watching. If anyone needs any information on the pump or the stuff I use, the sealant, let me know. I'll give you the name, I'll give you the website. So it's pretty good stuff. I have no idea what's going on right now. Hopefully it will work. I did let it warm up in the house for a bit, so hopefully it does work. If not, I'm going to bring it back to the store I bought it at and make a complaint. So hopefully it works. Like I said, I'll leave it in the description. If anyone has any questions, please comment, personal message, and talk to you guys later. Keep it redneck, and bye for now.